Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC and another episode of Send It Sundays. In this one, we took the Traxxas Maxx out to a new location. There's like this gigantic ramp out in the middle of nowhere. I think it's Fog City's favorite spot, but yeah, they got this, 7-8 foot tall jump. It's all made out of wood. It's pretty skinny. It's only about 2 feet wide, so a bit tricky to get up that ramp, especially when you're looking at it from the side. You can't actually tell where exactly the ramp is and how to line it up. Also, the approach to the ramp is pretty difficult. It's kind of like this narrow, winding path, so you don't really get a full straight-on shot. But I did my best with the Traxxas Maxx. This is the Wide Max. Got the full-on Wide Max kit as well as some shock tuning. And yeah, just sent it as best I could. So some failed attempts, some good attempts. The last jump, actually, I landed it. I actually saved it. It was like this crazy tumbling I was trying to do a front flip, but it kind of came off weird and ended up like tumbling in the air, but managed to save it. Landed on all fours, but did actually break my rear stub axle, as you can see there. So yeah, the plastic stub axle actually broke. In my opinion, the Wide Max kit actually makes the truck a little less durable. Even landing things on all fours, you will break stub axles. This is like, I think the second or third time it's happened to me now. So without the Wide Max kit, I never broke a stub axle, but with it, I've broken like 2 or 3, and that's landing it on all fours. So unfortunately, you lose a little you sacrifice a bit with the Wide Max kit and durability. You get a little more stability. It also doesn't turn quite as well. It's harder to make those sharp turns. So me personally, the Wide Max kit, it's kind of, I don't know, I'm kind of ambivalent about it. But anyways, I just want to share this video, some send-its. It was a fun time. A bit of a hike out there, and it was cool to check out this ramp and try it out and do my best with arguably, one of the most durable RC cars out there on the market. So enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon, and thanks for watching.
Finish him! Well done.
Well, didn't land that one. Broke a drive shaft. Looks like I broke the stub axle. will. That's why I don't like the wide max quite as much. But yeah, got some dashing, at least got some double semi front flip. There you go. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.